Okay, hello and welcome. We are starting two new projects. My son Walter, hello Walter.
Hey guys.
He has started to build a 924 GT replica for his 18th birthday, and he's now just about to turn 15, so we have a couple of years to go. I had this in storage. It's a regular 77-year 924 that was converted to Carrera GT in the 80s in Germany. It's a really good conversion. Bodywork is really nicely done, and the body shell is in really good condition. Has some horrible small fond metal wheels that we're gonna ditch. Really good condition interior. Some strange seats that maybe someone can comment on what they originate from. We are going to strip out the complete drivetrain and use only the body shell and interior, some of the interior. We have an Audi 01E gearbox lying around, and some Audi 5-cylinder 20-valve turbo engines that we will probably be using. And I also have a project that I will build simultaneously with my son, Lancia 037 Group B Rally tribute build stradale. So many hours left on this car, but the toughest work is done. I think most of the quite complex plating work is tacked up, and the frames are welded and in place. So this has been a dream build for me. We have our work cut out for us, as they say. I will also use Audi gearbox. No, sorry, Audi engine, 5-cylinder 20-valve turbo engine in this one. And for this I have a very strange gearbox. It's built by Porsche in a Audi casing with 944 turbo AOR internal, so it has this mechanical oil pump on the side, and pin shot first gear and chrome molybdenum coated axles, brand new. So I think that will be a good choice. Maybe someone can comment on what the story was. What they told me was that they made 60 of these gearboxes for some company that were going to build mid-engine cars with Audi 5-cylinder engines, but they went bankrupt, so it was never anything that was done. Okay, so we'll be back with some more. Thanks, bye.